Hey guys, welcome to our pilot edition of Shoreline Flips. This is going to be brought to you by Beach Expressions. It's the Shoreline Flip edition. We are buying houses, flipping them. The bank owns this house. As you can see, there's a lot of areas that need attention. This floor is going. So we're going to walk through everything. I'm going to show you everything. And then at the end of the project, and they're through in certain moments, we're going to take you through and show you what our contractor is going to be doing. So why don't you guys come on in and we'll take a quick look. All these cabinets, they appear to be in good shape. But the house was actually shut down for about 2 years and everything's buckled and swollen because it was closed up, so the moisture gets in. We have an issue there on the roof that we need to address. And the ceiling leaking maybe possibly from the roof, maybe from the addition. So all this is going to come out. Half of this ceiling is coming down. Our contractors will be here momentarily and they're going to begin demo day. So now we're going to come into the living room. This wall, we're going to take this wall back about 32 inches. So we're going to come back to about here where this mark is. And we're doing this to kind of let some of that light from the front of the house filter through into the kitchen so it looks more open. And we're going to come down here. This house actually is a bonus because it has an in-law apartment in the basement. So come on through. All these floors are going to be replaced. This bathroom, little on the tight side, all going to be replaced. The only thing we're kind of on the fence about is keeping some of the tile. And so we're going to move on through to the rest of the house. Here's bedroom number one. Not in bad shape. You think maybe paint patch? No. No. Doors, molding, trim, everything's going. We're going to update it. All new fixtures, doors, all new trim and baseboards, and the floors are going to get redone as well because although they appear to be in good shape, and that's great for us, they're kind of dated. So we want to make it so you feel like you're at the beach because it is in walking distance to the beach. So come on guys, one more bedroom up here, then we'll go to the basement that is not in good shape at all. So similar to the other room that we have, doors are getting changed, trim, baseboard, fixtures, same thing as the other bedroom. Now what we're going to add here, because there is an in-law apartment in this house, this floor is all getting ripped up, these doors are changed. We're going to widen this a little bit and we're going to put a stackable washer and dryer in here for the convenience of the new homeowner so they don't have to lug their laundry downstairs. And it works out great because it just backs right up to the bathroom, which the tub is right there. And we have supply lines and drains, and we're going to have the electrician run 220 up here so we can use an electric an electric washer dryer. And we'll vent it out downstairs and run it through to the exterior of the home because it has to be properly vented. Okay guys, moving on. The attic, it's a pull down. It's actually in pretty good shape. Or we can go up there another day, but come on through here and the living room. So now keep in mind, we have this big beautiful window which is very dirty. So we're actually clean it all up. And once this wall here is opened up, you're going to get that light filtering through. Fireplace, that's all going to get new makeover. So we're going to have all this wood here is going to be painted. Our designer Tara is on top of it. She has the colors picked out. She has the trim color, the wall colors, the floor coloring. She has tile, cabinets, right down to the cabinet door handles. Everything's already picked out. Doors, everything. Over here, it kind of looks like a dead space. Okay, solid panel front door, really closed in. We're going to put a nice, not a colonial style, but more of a beach style door here to a window door to let some light filter through. There's actually a closet there. We're going to change the door on that closet. So that's going to brighten that corner up. And what we're going to do is we're probably going to put a mirror here on this wall. Now remember, this is going to be taken back to about here. So we're going to put a nice mirror here. to reflect the light coming in from the outside, so it makes the room look that much more bigger and brighter. So come on downstairs, guys. We'll take a look down here, and you might want to hold your nose for this one. Come on down. Careful on the stairs. We're a little on the steep side. We're thinking about changing the stringer. We're actually going to leave it because the stairs probably aren't going to get that much use, considering that the washer and dryer is going to be upstairs. So we're kind of going to leave this. This is, you know, what you find when you go into homes that have been shut down. You got some mold issues. All this needs to be addressed. Luckily, the furnace and hot water heater all look to be relatively newer. So we're going to have our people come and check this out, go through the entire system. This used to be an oil fired furnace, which I think that's why the stairs they cut it short here, because there was an oil tank there and they wanted to squeeze the door in there for the bedroom. But now it's all gas, so I'm not quite sure that we're going to change the stringer. We might just leave it. We're going to have our guy come, our heating air condition guy. He's going to go through the furnace, the hot water heater, and air condition. And so hopefully that'll be in ship shape. We'll get it up and running. And we're going to put a washer and dryer here for the person living in the in-law. So it's kind of its own little entity here. Whoops. Okay. Ooh, it smells down here, boy. Okay, the step up to the bathroom, I'm not a huge fan of, but that's not the main focal point of the house. The selling point is the upstairs. This downstairs area is just a bonus. So we're not really going to get into that. We could lower it, but you can't get ahead of yourself. You know, you always want to be able to make a profit on your flip, or else there's just no point in doing it. So we're going to leave that there. However, we are going to change everything in that bathroom. All new cabinets, pop in a stove, new sink, carpet's coming up. We have a bedroom here. You know, this bedroom, just walk through a spider web. Again, we kind of left out, the electric has been updated to 220, newer roof, although we do have to address that possible leak, which may be old damage. But, so yeah, everything, the main things in this house, this is a beautiful flip. It's a perfect flip because all the main things have been done. So once this is painted a brighter color, windows are cleaned up, remove those 1980 style blinds and let some light in here, it'll be a happy room. Come on down, guys. Come on through. We're going to replace some doors here. But our main focus today, the way they built this was probably not how it should have been built, so we're going to address the issue and build it properly. All right, guys, so that's about it. New flooring, new cabinets, new bathroom, new doors, new everything, new ceiling, because the ceiling's disgusting. That's all coming down. There's a dryer vent, which brings us, now you have to kind of, when you're looking at properties, be in tune to where the supply lines are, where you can vent things out and whatnot, because you don't want to run into a problem as far as getting supply lines somewhere or electricity somewhere. So lucky for us, this is a drop ceiling, so we don't have to break through the ceiling. This is all going to be replaced. We're going to repaint the grids, change tiles, put a beautiful hardwood floor down here. Life-proof floor so it doesn't absorb moisture. And that's pretty much about it, guys. So we're going to keep you informed every step of the way, and we will see you back soon on Beach Expressions Shoreline Flip Edition. See you soon, guys.